What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery charging sensor connector on your 2013 through 2017 Honda Accord V6. Here is the battery sensor connector right here. We will be replacing this. As you can see, the wire has ripped off on mine right here. And here is the part that I'm going to be replacing it with. You can order this off of Amazon for $15 to $20. I will include the link in the description below. As you guys can see, it says check charge system. That means something is wrong with my battery sensor connector, or either my alternator or even the battery. So as you can see, what I showed you guys, it was obviously my connector. So just wanted to show you guys this. Alright, so what you're going to need for this repair is the battery sensor connector itself, some wire cutters, a knife to cut the wires, and some electric tape. So before you start cutting the wires, make sure you take a picture of how the wires are connected. As you can see, these are 3 yellows, which doesn't make sense. It should be the same color. So just make sure you wire up the same way that this is wired up. So yeah, let's get to it. Go ahead and unplug the connector. Just like that. Now we're gonna cut the wires. So get your wire cutter. Let me try to do this one-handed. Just cut right there. Alright, got the red. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Alright, there we go. So now we need to cut the wire. Just kind of reveal itself, reveal the copper wire, and then splice it up onto the new connector. Alright guys, as you can see, I have all 3 of the wires exposed now. Now it's time to connect it to the connector. Alright, before we start, this is what I did. I cut the rubber piece a little bit to expose the wire more. That way it'll be easier to twist around these wires right here. Alright, as you guys can see, I just twisted one wire around another. Looks like shit, but I'm going to cover it up with electric tape. Alright, as you guys can see, I finally have everything wrapped up in electrical tape. Now we're going to try and see if this actually works before wrapping up the rest of electrical tape. So let's go start this up. Just give it a moment to process. And as you can see, it's gone. We fixed it just like that. Alright guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Peace out.
Now I'm finna shoot to kill. If you buzzers living, this is living, finna do the deal. Load up my big 9, now I'm finna shoot to kill. If you buzzers living, this is living, finna do the deal. Load up my big 9, now I'm finna shoot to kill. If you buzzers living, this